Dear connections, today I will discuss about one more important scenario-based Power BI interview question. Uh, I hope you all have seen my previous video. In my previous video, I have promised that I will come up with a new video where there will be two date columns, start date and end date, and we will like there will be two separate date columns will be present in my Power BI dataset, and we will calculate the date difference between those two dates using DAX. So without any further delay, let's jump into our Power BI desktop. So as you can see, like my previous video, product ID, region, start date and end date is there. In my previous video, only one date column is there, but now here I created one more uh, column called end date. Okay, and for calculating the difference between them, we have to create a calculated column, and the logic will be this: date diff dex function, then the two date intervals as an argument, and then we need the difference in day format, like how many days, 1 day, 2 day, 30 day, 40 day, etc. Now let me take this into my visual. So it is showing sum of date. No, it should not be summarized. So it will be don't summarize. Hmm. Now see, between 1st January and 2nd January there is only 1 day difference. So it is coming as 1. And there is no difference between these two dates, so it is showing as 0. That means our calculated column is completely fine. Now a question may come in your mind that why we are using calculated column, why not measure? Because in my previous video I have used measure for achieving the date difference. So see, if I want to create a measure, okay, by using this, it will throw an error. Let us try once, then you will understand. Now I am trying to create a measure. I already copied the previous this one, the previous logic. Let's say NASU. Okay. See, already the red lines are coming. Cannot find the name. Let's commit it and let's see. An error message will throw. A single value for the column start date in the table sheet 1 cannot be determined. This can happen when a measure or function formula refers to a column that contains many values without specifying an aggregation. Now I think you all have understood why the error is coming. For using measure, it should be aggregated. Like we should use a here we should use like mean or max or something. If we could use that aggregation function with this text code, then the error may not come. But one more question is there, like why we will use aggregated column? Because the previous requirement in my previous video there was only one date column which I have used two times, as earliest and then latest. But here two separate date columns are already there. So we do not need any aggregation. So in this scenario, calculated column will be the one and only resolution for this thing. So I hope you all have understood this one, this concept, and That's all about this video. Thank you.